The invisible leak. Why you are throwing money away every morning. You are already losing the game, and you don't even realize it. Every morning, you walk into that stylish cafe, smell the roasted beans, and tap your card for a $5 latte. It feels like a small reward for a hard day's work. But in the reality of 2026, that $5 isn't just the price of a drink. It is a massive hole in your future net worth. As an investment expert with 20 years in the trenches, I have watched thousands of people wonder why they can never get ahead. They blame the government, they blame inflation, and they blame their bosses. But they never blame the cup in their hand. The 2026 economic reality, a world divided by pennies, the sticky inflation of the post-2025 era. As of April 2026, the global economy is in a state of structured stability, which is just a fancy way of saying everything is permanently more expensive. While the high-flying inflation of 2024 has subsided to around 3.3%, food and service costs remain significantly higher than they were just 3 years ago. In major cities like London, New York, and Seoul, a premium coffee now costs between $5 and $7.50. If you drink one every working day, you are spending over $1,500 a year on flavored water. In a world where the top 10% own 75% of global wealth, the middle class is being squeezed by convenience culture. You are literally paying for the privilege of staying poor. Breaking the myth. You don't need big money to invest. The fallacy of the lump sum. The most dangerous lie you believe is that you need $10,000 to start investing. I'll start when I have a real savings account, you say. That day never comes because your coffee habit eats the surplus. In 2026, the barrier to entry has vanished. Micro-investing platforms and fractional shares mean your daily $5 can go straight into an AI-driven ETF or a semiconductor powerhouse. The reality of 2026 is that the market rewards consistency, not just capital. If you had taken that coffee money and put it into an AI infrastructure fund in 2025, your portfolio would be up nearly 36% today. Instead, you have a pile of empty plastic cups and a shrinking bank account. Wealth is not about what you earn, it is about what you keep and how hard that money works for you. The math of regret. $5 versus $100,000. The power of compound interest in 2026. Let's do the math that your high school teacher never taught you. If you skip that daily $5 coffee and invest it into a diversified ETF, like the iShares AI Innovation, Buy, or a high-yield semiconductor fund, at an average annual return of 8%, look at what happens. Over 10 years, that $150 a month turns into $27,000. Over 20 years, it's $88,000. Over 30 years, you're looking at nearly $225,000. That is a house deposit. That is your child's education. That is your freedom. Instead, you chose 15 minutes of caffeine and a sugar rush. This is the latte factor on steroids in the 2026 economy, where the wealth gap is widening every single day. The 2026 wealth strategy. Automation is your only hope. Building the coffee to millionaire pipeline. Human willpower is weak. You will wake up tomorrow, feel tired, and want that coffee. The only way to win is to automate your success. Set up a recurring transfer of $5 every single day, or $150 a month, into a brokerage account the moment your salary hits. By 2026, thematic ETFs focusing on robotics, bots, and AI infrastructure, SMH, have become the new gold. These aren't speculative gambles, they are the backbone of the global economy. By automating this, you remove the decision. You become an investor first and a consumer second. This simple shift in psychology is what separates the people who will retire in comfort from those who will work until they are 80. A Tale of Two Futures. John versus Sarah. The divergent paths of habit. Consider two colleagues in 2026, John and Sarah. Both earn the same salary. John loves his morning ritual. He spends $6 on a latte and a muffin every morning. He feels rich in the moment. Sarah brings coffee from home in a thermos. She spends 50 cents on beans and automates $5.50 into a diversified tech fund. 5 years later, John is complaining about the cost of living and his lack of savings. Sarah has $12,000 in her investment account, which just paid her enough in dividends to take a free vacation. 10 years later, Sarah is looking at a $35,000 buffer that allows her to quit a toxic job. John is still trapped by his bills. The difference wasn't their income, it was their discipline. The 2026 truth. Your choice starts today. Stop being a victim of your own habits. The world doesn't owe you wealth. In 2026, the great wealth transfer is happening from the hands of the undisciplined to the accounts of the strategic. Every time you buy that coffee, you're casting a vote for your future poverty. Every time you invest that money, you're voting for your freedom. It's not about denying yourself joy, it's about delayed gratification. Would you trade a cup of coffee today for $1 million later? Of course you would. But you have to make that choice 365 times a year. The 2026 truth is simple. The rich use their money to buy assets. The poor use their money to buy feelings. Which one are you? Action plan. How to start right now. Calculate your leak. ***. Look at your bank statement for the last 30 days. Total up every coffee, snack, and small treat. You'll be shocked. **The 48-hour rule. ***. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 48 hours. If you still want it, buy it. Usually, you won't. Automate the difference. ***. Whatever you would have spent, set it to automatically invest. In 2026, even $1 a day matters. Education over entertainment. Instead of scrolling social media while drinking your coffee, read one financial report or watch one investment tutorial. If you don't start today, you will be in the same place next year, only poorer due to inflation. The clock is ticking. The 2026 economy is brutal to the lazy but incredibly rewarding to the bold. Put down the cup. Open the brokerage app. Start your journey to $1 million, one skipped latte at a time. This is your wake-up call. Don't press snooze.